Now there seems to be another crisis for farmers in Vidarbha, pushed into debt traps with the cotton crop and not seeing any options outside of agriculture for themselves. Farmers now facing extreme financial distress.
The cotton is ready for harvest on this 2-acre field, but Jyoti Temande says she may not even recover the cost she has incurred. Subhash has grown cotton on 13 acres, but he won't end up with big profits either. Both small and big farmers are caught in deep financial distress. Even though the support price for cotton is at 4,000 rupees per quintal, farmers say it will barely cover operating costs. Most of these farmers have turned to private money lenders as banks have not been able to meet their credit demands.
एक दागिना ठेवला तो हो सोडवा नंतर दुसऱ्या दागिना ठेवून कर्ज देता येईल नाही तर देता येणार नाही.
The commercial crop that was once called white gold has pushed many into a debt trap. Genetically modified BT cotton that was introduced as an answer to India's cotton woes has not helped either. Relief measures like loan waivers have proved merely cosmetic.
The farmers' suicides are the tip of the iceberg. But whole agriculture is in crisis.
So many in the next generation want to move away from agriculture, but where will they find the jobs is the big question.
मेरे 2 बच्चे हैं, थोड़ी बहुत खेती भी करते हैं और थोड़ी बहुत नौकरी भी करते हैं. मेहनत आजकल लेबर लोग मिलते नहीं और उसमें बेनिफिट जितना प्रॉफिट हो उनका मिलता नहीं.
What was once considered white gold today only translates into a repetitive cycle of debt. And though loan waivers have provided only marginal relief in the past, it hasn't really tackled the problem of farmer distress or the agrarian crisis.